Hey everybody, I got a little video here to show you how to create views that are straight on or 90 degrees to your roof surfaces. That way you can get true size and shape to cut them out on the cardboard and get them put into your or onto your model. So first of all, you can see I'm just in the default 3D view because I'm in that view with brackets, and that's the bold name and the name that's in bold. So I'm going to right click and duplicate that view with detailing. I'm going to right click and change the name of this copy right away. Rename, and we will call this Roof Surface Master. Enter. Alright, after I have that view renamed to Roof Surface Master, I'm going to go ahead and rotate this view so I can just see all of my roof surfaces easily. And just in any kind of angle so you can just see them all. I will then go up top and grab the text tool. And I'm just going to left click and we're going to just number these surfaces. Oh, by the way, 1/4 inch font is usually a good size to use for this 1/4 inch scale 3D view. We'll name that one 1. Click over there. We have a 2, a 3, and a 4. And then escape. Yes. Escape to cancel the text tool. Click off, and I'm also going to change this view to realistic. Or I guess I should say whatever view you had it to match, or shaded or realistic to match the rest of your walls and other views that you've printed already. So once I have that all set, I'm not going to ever rotate the master view again. All right, it's going to completely stay in that position. What I'm going to do now is duplicate this master view 4 times because I have 4 rough surfaces. Some of you might have 2. Some of you, if you have like a slant on the one slanted roof on the house, one slanted roof on the garage, you'd have just 2. If you did kind of a triangle shaped roof on both garage and house, you're going to have 4 also. Yours are just going to meet at a peak and then, slope naturally on both sides. So anyway, I'll right click on Rough Surface Master, duplicate view with detailing, and I'm just going to keep doing that over and over until I have 4 copies. Okay, the next thing I'll do is rename my copies. And all I got to do is just really get rid of the word master copy because I want this to say Roof Surface 1. I'm just doing slow double clicks, then highlighting, delete, delete. Slow double click, highlight those words, delete, delete, because I'm getting rid of the extra space. Slow double click. And there we go. Now we have 4 views for our 4 surfaces. So I'll go into Roof Surface 1. Double click Roof Surface 1. This view I can now rotate. So I'm starting to look somewhat straight on 1. What I'm going to do is go up to the glass box in the corner of the workspace. There's a little drop arrow on that glass box. If I move over, it might see it better. There we go. Drop arrow. We're going to orientate this view to a plane. So orientate to a plane. We are going to pick the plane, which means a plane, by the way, is just another word for surface. So select that button, click OK. And now go to the edge of the rough surface you want to look straight at. And when that rough surface highlights, left click. And this view just spun. And it looks like it might be a straight down view, but it's really not. It's angled because if I look up here, I can see some of my garage door. That's how I know I'm actually on a... This is an angled view. The next step is then to crop the view down just like we did for our exterior walls. So let's go ahead and turn on the crop visibility. Click here and then just start shrinking this down close to that rough surface we need to work with. Like so. And this roof from in my example goes up under this other one, so I got to make sure that I hide that roof in this view. Hide that element. And there we go. If this view is this one, because it's pretty simple to crop close, I don't really know if we need to shut off much else. Just have this cropped pretty close to your roof line. We can delete these other numbers if we want at this point, because these numbers are just in this view. It doesn't delete them from the other one. And I think that view looks ready to go. I actually would also either delete the one or at least get it off to the side. And that might be actually a good idea, so you know what roof part that is when you're printing later. But don't have it on your shingles. Otherwise it'll mess up your graphics when you cut that out. Then I would go to roof surface 2. And I would, again, I can rotate somewhat close to the view I need. I'm going to go up to this drop arrow, next to the glass box, orientate to a plane, pick the plane, hit OK, and go to the edge of that surface and click on it. And again, I am straight above this roof now, or straight out at 90 degrees. I can delete these other tags. I can right click and try hiding that. But that one actually wasn't in the way. This roof just has to be notched to go around the wall of my example. And I'll just go again, crop, and drag that in close as I can. We're printing a little bit of extra color here, but not much if you crop that in really close. Zoom in, grab that tag, set it off to the side, and ready to go. That view is now correct. So you just process each roof surface like that by orientating the view to a plane. That's what sets you straight out or 90 degrees to the surface, and that's what lets us see the true size and shape of that roof. And when we cut this all out, it should fit nicely onto your cardboard model. You would have to create another sheet of paper. So right click, new sheet, 11 by 17 again, click OK. And we can drag these rough surfaces out onto the paper. Just like so. Left click and hold, drag, let go. And you'll have to see if you can fit 2, 3, 4, fit what you can. If you need a couple of sheets, that's okay too. And then go ahead and print these out. Cut them with scissors, leave a little bit of white space, and then bring them to me so I can glue them on cardboard for you, and then you can keep working on your model and hopefully finish everything up. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.